stuntman Bob, and I'm gonna jump off this deck. See? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was crazy. That's how it's done, man.
Totally.
Gnarly.
Totally.
And now, I'm going to get my assistant here, beat me as hard as he can with a real mallet. Ready, set, go! Yeah! Yeah! Hi! Yeah! 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 And that's how it's done. Now, I'm going to hold the bomb, a bomb with a 10-second delay. I'm going to hold it the whole 10 seconds. Wait till it explodes, and I'm gonna survive it. Okay, here it goes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Go! And that's how it's done.
Totally.
Now, I'm going to get thrown against the dead gate. Take a little breather here. Okay, I'm ready. Ready, set! Oh, and that's how it's done.
Totally.
Again, rock on, man.
Totally.
Don't do these stunts at home.
Totally.
Now,
Ray gun time!
I'm going to get shot with real, live ray gun by my assistant here. And I'm going to dodge every single bullet. What? Okay. Whoop, boom! Dodge! Whoop, whoop. I dodged every single bullet. Now, I'd like to thank Stuntman Taylor for all of his hard work.
Hey, everybody, let's throw Stuntman Taylor off to the deck.
Okay.
Yeah! Stuntman Taylor! Wait, I'll be on the ground.